Steve Blythe, J.Racenstein, and I've got the Triumph scraper here. This is the Mark II and this is the Mark III. The difference is this softer grip, a little bit bigger, fits in your hand, is meant to be more ergonomic for a lot of handwork. The Mark II's been out for many, many years, and a lot of people have become very accustomed to its size and its feel, and it's a little bit lighter weight, so they prefer what they've known and were trained on. So the Mark II is still available, the Mark III. Both hold a 6-inch quality Triumph blade in that instance. Remember, the blades are reversible. Use one side of the blade, turn it around, put the blade back in, use the other side. Triumph Mark I scrapers, meant for the use in your hand.